Michael Reid here from Technics. Welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on redefining hydration and why hydration is so important in keeping your animals eating and producing. Today I'm going to talk to you about rumen function and why it's so important. So what is a rumen, why it's important, and what can go wrong, and some solutions that are out there to get the rumen back to optimal conditions. So first of all, what is the rumen? Well, it's the largest of the 4 chambers of the stomach. It's really big, it's a capacity of about 200 litres, and it's a fermentation vat essentially. It's full of microbes. The microbes allow for the breakdown of plant and plant-like material so that the cow can use it for energy and energy metabolism, protein metabolism, and all the other nutrients that she requires. And then she can use those energy and protein and nutrients for milk production, supporting of the unborn calf, and maintenance, which she really requires. So why is rumination so important? Well, it allows for the breakdown of plant materials. Grass silage, grass, maize, a whole range of different plant materials that we can't eat. The rumen breaks them down, the microbes break down that into energy, into protein, into other nutrients that the cow requires. Now there are some symptoms you can look out for in the cows, and the cow will tell you when rumen function has been impaired. First thing is you'll see an impact in milk production and milk specifically milk fat production. That's one of the things that can be dropped. Second, the dung. The dung will be loose. It can be bubbles in it. That's a sign of acidosis. You'll see cod balls, potentially cod balls coming out. You'll see that in the feed face. You'll also see this triangle here, right in the rumen. If that's depressed and sunken in, then that will show that rumen fill is not optimal. So that's one of the things, there are some of the symptoms to look out for. We've spoke about rumen health. We've spoke about the importance that it plays in your dairy production systems. And what happens when it goes wrong? When it does go wrong, there is actually solutions out there. These are Rumen Yeast Caps. It's a capsule. When you see some of those symptoms that we were talking about, pop one of these down the cows and they help to restore rumen health.